In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn an Outlook email into a task in Microsoft To Do. This is a simple way to turn messages into clear action items so you can follow up on time and keep your inbox tidy. Start by opening your web browser and going to Outlook.com. Sign into your Outlook account and make sure you're in the Mail section using the vertical menu on the left. If Mail isn't selected, click it, then open your inbox so your messages are front and center. Look through your inbox and pick the email you want to convert. This works best for messages you need to track, like requests, approvals, or anything that requires a response. Turning emails into tasks helps you add due dates, reminders, and priorities, instead of letting important items get buried. Now move to the top right corner of the Outlook window and find the My Day icon. It looks like a small check mark inside a circle. Click it to open the side panel, then choose To Do. This opens the Microsoft To Do panel directly inside Outlook, so you can create and manage tasks without leaving your inbox. With the To Do panel open, click and drag the email from your inbox into the panel. When you see the drop area highlight, let go of the mouse. Outlook instantly creates a task from that email. The subject line becomes the task title, and the body of the email is saved within the task for quick reference later. You'll also see a link back to the original email, so you can jump to the full thread whenever you need more context. To make the task stand out, click the star icon to mark it as important. Starred tasks rise to the top of your list, which is great for urgent or high-priority items. You can also edit the task title to make it action-oriented and add a due date or set reminders right from the same panel to stay on schedule. To confirm everything's synced, open the Microsoft To Do homepage. You'll see the newly created task there alongside your other lists. Because To Do is cloud-based, the task will also appear on your phone and any other device where you're signed in. If you don't see the My Day icon, try widening your browser window or make sure you're using the Outlook web version. The icon's position can shift with updates, but it's usually near the top right. If drag and drop doesn't work, ensure the To Do panel is open before you drag the email. And that's it. You've converted an Outlook email into a Microsoft To Do task to keep your inbox clean and your priorities organized. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a new upload.